Hello friends, in Maths chapter 11 construction, you got the different type of construction to draw. Here we will start construction 1 to divide a line segment into given ratio. So let's we see a one question. Draw AB of 10 centimeter and divide it in 2:3 ratio. So we are given, here we have to write first given and to construct. So given information is there, AB equals to 10 centimeter. So given information we will write AB equals to 10 centimeter. And to construct means what we want to construct, that we will write. So here we will write to construct divide AB in 2:3 ratio. So let's start its construction. So first draw a line of 10 centimeter. For that at 0 first mark the dot and at 10. So if your scale move here and there is no problem. Now draw the line AB. So AB is of 10 centimeter. Now with this we will write the steps of construction also. But before that we will complete the drawing. Now at A and B we have to make a two parallel rays. So for that we will draw 60-degree angle on A point. And 60-degree angle on the B point. So angle XAB and YBA are both of 60 degree. AX and BY we have joined. Now we want the ratio 2:3. So 2 plus 3, 5 parts are there. So ray AX and ray BY. On that ray we will draw 5 equal parts. So first on ray AX we will draw, which we will take suitable radius and will make a 5 equal parts. Part 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part and 5 part. On that we will label as A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. Same way on the BY ray with the same radius. Draw 5 parts. 1 part, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we want the 2:3 ratio. So from the AX ray take the second point and from the BY ray take the third point. Here we will label B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. So A2 and B3 we joined. B and A5, this is optional. If we joined it's okay, otherwise not, it's okay. And A2, B5 we will join. So here we A2, B3 line segment divides the AB 8P. So AP by PB ratio you can measure that. You can see that with the scale. AP is the 4 centimeter and PB is the 6 centimeter. So 2 by 3. And so P is the point which divides AB in 2:3 ratio. So let's we write the steps for that. So according whatever we did, we will write steps of construction. Just in 4 to 5 steps you have to finish the steps of construction. So first we did AB of 10 centimeter. So we will write draw AB equals to 10 centimeter. Then we construct the XAB and YBA equal angles. So we will write construct angle XAB equals to angle YBA. Then we have divided the ray AX and ray BY in 5 parts. So we will write construct or mark A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 on AX such that A1 equals to A1 A2 equals to A2 A3 equals to A3 A4 equals to A4 A5. Similarly, mark B1 B2 B3 B4 B5 on BY such that BB1 equals to BB2 equals B1 B2 equals to B2 B3 equals to B3 B4 equals to B4 B5. Then we have joined the A2 and B3 because we want 2:3 ratio. So we will write join A2 B3 which intersects AB 8P and so P is a point which divides AB in 2:3 ratio. We have the question number 1. Draw a line segment of length 7.6 centimeter and divide it in the ratio 5:8 and measure it 2 parts. So first we will draw the line segment of 7.6 centimeter. For that, at 0 and 7.6 we will draw a line of 7.6 centimeter. Here we will write A and B. Now at A and B we will construct the congruent angle, but A 60 degree is very easy, so we will construct 60 degree angle only at A and B. So for A 60 degree angle, at B 60 degree angle, Now we want 5:8 ratio. So 5 plus 8, 13, and so we'll divide AX and BY in equal parts, 13 equal parts. So here A1, A2, A3, A4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, here we want 5:8, so one side we will take 5 parts only. No need to add them. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. And on the BY point ray, we want 8 equal lines, so we'll make equal 8 parts. B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7 and B8. So like this we have made the equal 8 parts. Now we want the 5:2 ratio, 5:8. So A5 and B8. Join them with the scale. Then we get P point on line AB, which divides AB in 5:8 ratio. We can measure them also. So we can see that AP by PB. So AP length we have around 2.8 and PB length we have 3.6. So approximate ratio will be 5:8. Now steps you can write as the previous construction.